everybody, welcome back. So in this video, we'll learn about the remaining constructors and destructor. We'll begin with the second type of constructor, namely parameterized constructor. And it is possible to pass arguments to the constructors, and it is done using the parameterized constructors. These parameterized constructors are used to initialize various data elements of different objects with different values when they are created. And they are used to overload the constructors. We'll look into the parameterized constructor with an example. So this is the class name construct. Inside the public section, we have two member variables x and y, and this is the parameterized constructor. The values a and b, it comes from the main method where the object for the construct class is created. So these values are initialized to the member variables of the construct class. Now we'll learn about the copy constructor. So the copy constructor is a member function that initializes an object using another object of the same class. They are used to initialize the members of newly created object by copying the members of already existing object. This is an example. See, this is the parameterized constructor. Okay. And this is the copy constructor. So the copy constructor, it takes the argument as an object. This object is the object of the parameterized constructor. Its values are copied here inside the copy constructor. Okay. Now we learn about the destructors. This destructor is used to deallocate the memory, and they are called when an object is destroyed. It has no argument or return type. It is preceded with the tilde symbol. It is not possible to define more than one destructor, and they are used to reduce the memory space occupied by the object created by the constructor. This is a simple destructor. See, this is the class name preceded with the tilde symbol. It becomes a destructor. So when this destructor is called, the memory is reallocated. For our understanding, we have written this cout statement inside the destructor. Okay. Let us learn about the parameterized constructor. As you can I'm saying namespace. Construct. I'm declaring variables. Here comes the public section. This is the parameterized constructor. Here I am assigning values. Let me add the values here. And now let us write the destructor also. Okay. You are understanding? Writing the cout statement. Okay. So ending the class here. Here comes the main method. I'm declaring an integer value, integer variable answer, and assigning it with 0. Now, let me create an object for the construct class. Let us assume it with 3, 4. So when the object is created, the values are initialized. The values for A and B are initialized here. Now, let us call the add function. Okay. Now, let us print the answer. That's it. Let me save the code as dot C. Now, let us compile and execute the code. Given the compile statement, yes, it has got compiled. Let us execute it. Yes, the answer 7 is the answer, as they are adding the 2 input values, and finally, before the program ends, the memory is deallocated using the destructor. Okay, hope you are all clear with parameterized constructor and destructor. So meet you all in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.